Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Shane, and Shane is now 13 months, just past 1 year on his final result. And we have his surgery day video documented, I believe, on our YouTube channel. So people have been asking about him, and obviously we'll let the video speak for itself. You can see the before pictures over here on the left. I mean, what a difference in terms of having a defined hairline, some real density. Do you mind putting your chin down to the chest for us? You can see, wow, yeah, nice and natural. Again, an additional 30%. And yeah, big difference, man. You mind putting your chin down just kind of far away so we can see the top? Perfect. Look at that. Shane, I mean, how has your life been with hair? Have you, has this made a difference for you?
It's been honestly like a night and day difference between, how it was 3 or 4 years ago. In your day-to-day life with, going out with friends, with new relationships, dating, just, makes a massive difference, I would say.
Awesome. Awesome. And the nice thing is this is going to be there the rest of your life, which is 100%. Amazing, right? So it's a great investment in yourself. And, any issues with, I mean, obviously it takes a while to kind of come in. That's probably the hardest part is kind of waiting, right?
It's a waiting game. I mean, I said, I think for the first 4 months it was very slow, kind of seeing those new hairs grow in. But
yeah.
After about 7 months, I was really starting to see it grow. And, as about 4 months ago, I was like, all right, I'm going to try to spike it up and see what I can do here. And
awesome.
It worked out great.
Awesome, man. Happy for you. Any issues with the scar in the back? Anything going on there?
No.
Okay.
No, I mean, I've been growing it out a little bit longer, but I cut this.
Yep.
Sometimes I'll cut it down shorter.
Yep.
And you can't even see it.
Not an issue. Awesome. So I'm going to put some side-by-sides here. You can see side-by-side difference from before. And obviously, Shane can use a little bit more in the crown if he ever wanted to get more in the future. And then let's see one from the left side and the right. So, yep. And then put your chin up just, chin up just like, yes, perfect. Look how much different that shelf of hair coming out through the left. I like the little spiky thing he's doing. Very cool. Let's see the other side. Again, we'll put them side by side so you can really see the difference. And if you would, Shane, just chin up just a little bit and then back up a little bit more towards your, yeah, it works. Yes, that works. Perfect. Well, man, I am so happy for you. And, congratulations. If you ever want more hair, let us know. And thank you for showing other people your journey throughout, beginning to end, kind of what your results are and how it's affected you.
Yeah, absolutely, 100%.
Is there anything you would think to tell people if they were kind of on the fence about whether they should do a transplant, if it's natural, if it really makes a difference?
I would say it definitely makes a difference in terms of like your confidence and, overall it makes you look, more presentable in the job field.
Yeah.
As well as, more aesthetically pleasing to, to yourself and other people as well.
Yeah, awesome, awesome. Well, thanks again, Shane, and we're looking forward to seeing how this affects your life. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.